How to remove Google search bar on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Google search bar from an Android phone home screen. So now without further ado, let's get started. So if you are using an Android phone, here is the easiest method. So here, if you are on your home screen, just tap and hold on the Google search bar, and after that you will see an option pop up that says remove. So just go ahead and tap on that, and just like that it's gone from your home screen. But what if you don't see that remove option? No worries, here is what you can do. So just tap and hold on any empty space on your home screen, and once you do that you'll see some options appearing at the bottom. From there, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on more and this will take you to the home screen settings. So now, depending on your phone, you can simply look for the option that says toggle off the Google search bar or remove it from your layout. And once you have found it, just toggle off that option, and with that, if you changed your mind and want the search bar back, there is no problem in it. Just go back to the home screen and tap on hold again on the empty space, and from the pop-up menu simply tap widgets at the bottom. And once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on Android widgets, and from there simply find the Google section and tap on the Google and find the search bar and simply tap on it. And once you have selected it, simply tap on tick button at the top right corner of the screen, and that's it. Now you have successfully removed or restored the Google search bar on your Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.